Step 1. Upload your images to Tripo. Click Generate, download the model. Step 2. Import the model into Blender and build the scene as you envision it. Step 3. Switch to the Eevee renderer. Open Color Management. Set Look to High Contrast. Open the shader editor. Go to the World Properties. Pick a background color that fits your scene. Add a sunlight as your main light source and adjust its color to match the tone of your scene. You can freely adjust the number, color, intensity, and angle of lights to create the desired atmosphere. For materials, start by adding a shader to RGB node and a color ramp node to each object to create multiply style shadows. Then, use a mix node set to multiply mode to add depth and painterly layering to the scene. If you want to adjust the base colors, add a hue saturation value node to tweak saturation and color tone as needed. Step 4. Choose a suitable image and import it as Planes option. Then, position the background where it best fits in your scene.